So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add the mobile data option in the front of your app's control panel. For example, if you for now had to turn on the mobile data, you need to click on this option. Then here you'll find the mobile data, so you can add this in front of these settings as well. Now in order to do it, simply press and hold on the empty space of the control center, and here once you do that, here you'll see this option of add a control. Simply tap over there, and once you do that, you simply need to search for mobile data in the connectivity section. There we go, here is mobile data. Just simply tap over there, and now here you'll see the mobile data is added, and I can simply adjust the position of it as well if I want to. Or let's say, for example, if I want to place it here. Now just simply do that, and you can easily turn on and off the mobile data from here only inside, instead of going in that option. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.